Good morning, sir. I am Jenny Sardinario from BSIT 2NS, and I am here to present to you my video presentation on cybersecurity. My topic is all about ensuring security for IoT devices. Introduction to IoT security. The Internet of Things is a rapidly growing network of physical devices embedded with software, sensor, and other technologies that allows them to connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the Internet. IoT devices are revolutionizing many aspects of our lives, from the way we manage our home to the way we work. However, the increasing popularity of IoT devices also raises new security concerns. Importance of IoT security. Number one is protecting connected devices. Strong security measures are essential to safeguard sensitive data and prevent unauthorized access or control since IoT devices are more prone to cyber attacks. Number two, mitigating business risk. Failing to address IoT security can lead to significant financial losses, data breaches, and reputational damage for organizations that rely on connected devices. Number three, ensuring consumer safety. Customers need to be able to rely on the security of their IoT-enabled homes and personal gadgets to safeguard their privacy and stop illegal access. Common security threats. Number one, weak authentication. Think of weak authentication as a lock with a symbol combination. Hackers can easily guess it or use brute force to break in. Strong password and two-factor authentication are like high-security locks that make it much harder for hackers to enter. Number two, unpatched vulnerabilities. Consider your Internet of Things devices as armor. They create breaks and cracks over time. Similar to patches, updates solve these security flaws. However, if we leave them unpatched, hackers will be able to take advantage of those shortcomings and get access. Number 3. Data breaches. Many IoT devices collect your data, from habits to home security details. If these devices aren't secure, it's like leaving your wallet open in a crowded place. Hackers can steal this data and misuse it for identity theft or other crimes. Botnets and DDoS attacks. For hackers to perform devastating distributed denial of service attacks, weakened Internet of Things devices can be taken over and utilized as a components of a botnet. Encryption and authentication. Number 1. Robust encryption. Ensure IoT devices employ strong encryption algorithms like AES and RSA to protect data in transit and at rest, safeguarding sensitive information from unauthorized access. Number 2. Secure authentication. Use one-time passwords or biometric scans as a multi-factor authentication method to confirm the identity of users and devices and prevent impersonation attempts. Certificate-based trust. To create reliable connections between Internet of Things devices and the cloud, make use of public key infrastructure and digital certificates. This will guarantee secure communication and prevent man-in-the-middle attacks. Tamper-resistant hardware. Utilize tamper-evident and tamper-resistant hardware designed to protect integrity of IoT devices, making it difficult for attackers to physically modify or reverse engineer the system. Secure firmware updates. Number 1. Automated patching. Implement a secure and automatic firmware update to process quickly address newly discovered vulnerabilities and ensure to IoT devices are running the latest secure version. Number 2. Verify integrity. Digital signatures are used to securely validate the integrity and authenticity of firmware updates, preventing the installation of tampered or malicious code. Number 3. Staggered rollouts. Before a larger launch, deploy firmware updates slowly, beginning with a small subset of devices to validate the updates and minimize the impact of any issues. Network security for IoT device. Number 1. Firewall protection. Consider the firewall to be a tough gatekeeper at your castle. It regulates what and who gets access to your network. Your IoT devices can also receive permitted traffic through a strong barrier configuration, which also blocks shady connections and keeps them out of botnet attacks. Number 2. Secure VPN connections. Imagine a hidden tunnel connecting your castle to a safe house. Secure VPN connections create encrypted tunnels for data traveling between your IoT devices and the cloud. This encryption scrambles the data, making it unreadable to anyone who tries to intercept it. Number 3. Network segmentation. Imagine your network with different parts separated by walls and modes. Your IoT devices are isolated on their own network segment, thanks to network segmentation. In this manner, even if a hacker breaks into one device, they are restricted to that area of your network and are unable to easily get to the other areas where confidential information may be stored. Number 4. Continuous monitoring. Imagine your castle is constantly patrolled by alert guards. Constant monitoring keeps an eye on the traffic on your network. It can identify abnormal behavior like unusual data flow or illegal entry attempts, allowing you to take swift action and stop attacks before they get worse. Secure device configuration. Number 1. Device authentication. Implement robust authentication mechanisms to verify the identity of IoT devices and restrict access to unauthorized entities. Number 2. Secure configuration. Ensure IoT devices are configured with secure default settings, such as a strong passwords, disable unnecessary features, and properly configured network interface. Number 3. Ongoing monitoring. Continuously monitor the configuration of IoT devices, detect any changes or drift from desired secure state, and promptly address any detected issues. Physical security measures. Number 1. Tamper-evident enclosures. Utilize tamper-evident enclosures that visibly show if the IoT devices has been physically accessed or manipulated, alerting users to potential security breaches. Number 2. Secure mounting and placement. Mount IoT devices in secure locations, such as behind locked cabinets or in restricted areas to prevent unauthorized physical access and tampering. Number 3. Anti-theft mechanism. Install anti-theft features to detect IoT devices theft and facilitate device recovery in the event that it occurs, such as security cables or GPS trackings. Number 4. Physical access control. Restrict physical access control to IoT devices through biometric authentication, keycards, or other access control measures to prevent unauthorized personnel from interfering with the devices. Continuous monitoring and incident response. Number 1. Proactive monitoring. Continuously monitor IoT devices and network for suspicious activity, security breaches, and anomalies using advanced analytics and AI-powered threat detection. Number 2. Incident response. Establish a well-defined incident response plan to swiftly detect, investigate, and mitigate security incidents, minimizing the impacts and containing the spreads of threats. Number 3. Automated remediation. Leverage automated tools and playbooks to quickly respond and remediate security incidents, such as by isolating compromised devices or applying security patches.